right, another day, another attempt to get the oven in.
Yes.
How many times have we had it out now? I don't know, 4, 5, 6 times?
Something like that.
Yep, so we got this little cart here, and thankfully it's at the right height. We can just kind of get the oven started on it and just roll it on out of there. But what we ended up doing, thanks to the suggestion of our general contractor who's been helping us with this project, is put the box down in the crawl space. So I ended up drilling a larger hole there in the corner, which is lining up with this relief on the back of the oven here. And we fed the BX shielded cable down into the crawl space, made the connection there. Still got enough room to pull it out, to service it. If we ever have to take it fully out, we'll have to go down in the crawl space and disconnect it, but not a huge deal, is it?
No, that's easy.
Yeah, so then we routed the other piece of Romex that ultimately is going to come over here to our outlets through that same hole. That way we moved everything out of the center here. I think that's where we were getting bound up. We had cut that trough there to allow the wire to come up, but it just wasn't staying out of the way 100%. I think it was kicking up the back end of the oven. So we're going to go ahead and attempt to slide it into place one more time. Any bets?
Oh, I hope so. It can't take much more.
That's not a bet. That's a hope and a prayer. All right, well, let's see if we can get it in there.
All right.
All right, it's in. It's official.
Only 7 times and busted lip.
And 3 or 4 trips to the crawl space. Amber got in a fight with the ear protection last night.
Oh, that hurt.
The safety works, popped her right in the lip. It's bleeding and everything.
I know, it's really bad.
Yeah, hardcore. She kept working though, I'll have you know. All right, so it's in. The only thing left is to put the door on. Can't wait to see that. Something got dirty, wasn't me.
Yes, it was.
Some dirt down above the control panel too. Good grief. What are we gonna do? All right, so yes, we ended up doing the hole. You can barely see some light down in the crawl space there, and that actually worked out great. And then we'll run our wire across the top here to go over to our outlets.
Perfect.
Yay, let's get that door on. According to the manual, it's fragile
Yes, and
and heavy.
good combo.
And wearing flip-flops.
Yeah, why did you not put your black shoes on?
I don't know. Just came down here and got right to work. Yay, we're in.
That's it? Are there screws you have to put in, or
No, just those little
just okay?
cam levers flip up,
Wow, snazzy.
and that's it.
Oh, that's awesome. That thing has so many features. I'm gonna be baking, and
Yeah, give me a quick tour, why don't you?
I don't even think I can. I don't even know what all it does yet.
It's got a rotisserie.
Wow. Yeah, we ended up ordering the more expensive version by mistake. But
Do you say mistake with air quotes?
no, I didn't. It truly was a mistake. No. The guy at the store put down the wrong number and I didn't.
Sure.
Whatever.
Anyways, it's really cool. It does have a rotisserie. It's got all sorts of different modes, convection,
Yeah, convection.
standard, pizza mode. Kids will be excited about that.
Pizza rotisserie.
No idea what pizza mode does.
I have no idea.
Speaks in Italian, and
I'm gonna have to read the manual.
it's pretty cool though.
Good
Can't
job,
wait.
honey.
Thanks. You
That
too.
only took 20 hours.
2 in Woodmere time.
Yeah, whatever we say it's going to take or what it should take, you gotta at
Triple
least.
it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
at least.
Well, in fairness, we didn't start it last night till like, I don't know, what, 7 o'clock?
Right. It's
So,
okay.
and we worked till what, 9 something? 10? 9 something.
It felt like midnight.
We spent a couple hours on it last night, so. Anyways,
Alright,
it's done. Yeah.
It is done. Good job.
Thanks. You too. All right, so we got our outlet box mounted in the back of the microwave cabinet. Got our microwave plugged in. And most of the plastic taken off the front. Looks really, really nice, hon.
Thank you.
Very streamlined.
Yeah.
Proud of your picks?
Good design, huh?
Yeah, I think so. So looks nice. Then you can look down through the island there and see how the appliances just match up nicely.
Looks good.
Beautiful. All right, so we're gonna go flip the breakers, see what happens.
Okay.
What do you think?
What could go wrong?
Not sure if that's the attitude we want to take, but sure. All right, let me go hit the breakers.
Whoa! It's on! Well, that's cool. All right. There it goes. Good job! That got it. Wow, and no fires. Cool.
Success?
Success!
Sound like this thing was playing music.
It did. It was the microwave. The microwave made like a, you know.
Sound like a telephone ringing.
Yeah. And then this one just kicked on, but.
Very cool.
Wow.
Set the time and all that good stuff.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Oh, we do have a light.
There is one? Okay, it's hard to tell from here. We are ready for microwave popcorn. And a rotisserie chicken.
Plenty of light.
Oh, wow.
Those are intense.
That's awesome. Well, those cakes I'm gonna bake.
Cookies.
Cookies too.
Lots of cookies.
Wow. That's fabulous.
Oh,
What'd you do?
I don't know. I just touched the button. It said initial setup complete. Oops.
Yeah, you got the wrong time on there, babe.
Clearly it's not complete. Oh, it's locked.
Okay.
Panel lock activated.
So now you didn't just lock it.
Whoa. So cool.
Well, now you did lock it.
No, it's deactivated.
Now, oh, okay. Maybe settings?
There we go. Might want to consult the manual, but hey,
Yeah.
it works. Yay. Good job, hon. Very high tech. Can't wait to set up the Wi-Fi.
I know. I
So you
can't
can
believe
start baking
it.
from the car on the way back to the grocery store.
You know what I'm really excited about?
What?
The Wi-Fi on the dishwasher.
Be laying in bed.
How many times have I gotten into bed and been like, I forgot to start the dishwasher?
Yeah. Problem no longer.
I know.
Good job. All right, we got the fridge into position. Lawrence gave us a hand. It was, we loaded it up on the dollies and rolled it across the floor. We use these big furniture dollies. Yes, I have shoes on. Aren't you proud of me? So then we rolled it over there and then dropped it off. And then we got it wheeled into position there. So we're leaving that out now temporarily because we've got this panel that goes on the end of our refrigerator cabinet here. So we've got to get the bottom of it scribed. We've got to scribe the wall. And then we got to scribe the wall side. And then we got to cut the top to length. Let's just put that panel up real quick before we put the refrigerator in.
Yeah. Again, Woodmere time.
Yeah.
By 3.
Yeah.
And that's how long it's going to take.
So the fridge is ready to go in, but we are not ready for the fridge to go in. We thought we were, but we're not. In other news, Lawrence made a tremendous amount of progress on the stairs going up into the bonus room.
Yes.
So let's take a quick peek at those. How fabulous does that look?
Woohoo!
Yeah, looks really, really nice.
They are really nice, yep.
So he's got all the treads and everything on, all the risers, and that looks really fantastic.
It does.
Got the skirt board over here. That looks nice. And the skirt board's down here. So we're gonna leave the railings off for now. thinking we've got some bigger furniture and the pool table and all that stuff to go upstairs.
Yeah,
So
we just want to make sure we get it up there.
probably better off to leave it off for now.
Yeah.
We'll have to cover these stairs, obviously, protect them from moving and all that good stuff.
We're just gonna do that tomorrow.
But we're just got to do the top here. It's going to get some nosing around this side.
Yeah, he actually took the nosing home today because he's gonna. We're not gonna use the nosing like they made it.
So he took a piece of baseboard, put that on upside down. That's going to go underneath the nosing. Trim that out, and then he created a board there at the end to catch that base, and then also to kind of finish out the end of the stairs there. So that's going to look really, really nice.
Yeah, so the nosing was made to come out about 1.5 inches on either side, and it was just making the already small stairwell look even smaller.
Mm-hmm.
So he's gonna cut that off
Okay.
and, you know, like miter the whatever, round the edge again.
Round it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we're only gonna have about 1/8 of an inch overhang
Okay.
when he's done. So.
Sounds good. That'll look
that
nice.
way, yeah, that'll allow our stairs. It'll give us more space for the stairs going up too, because
The railings.
the spindles we're gonna have to then come out even farther than that 1.5 inches, and
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
we were really only gonna have like a 30-inch.
Yeah, it was gonna be too tight.
It was just too tight. So
So, anyways, good compromise there.
yeah,
It's really making this back area look really nice. Can't wait to get the doors up, get those finished.
Mm-hmm.
We gotta paint and finish up the jams and all that sort of stuff. Rehang the bathroom door. That'd be a good idea.
yeah, we
Have
did.
some privacy.
We died.
No yawning.
It's 5 o'clock.
No, it's too early to yawn. Your bedtime's not till 8.
I've already put in an 8-hour day now. Come on.
Slacker. All right, let's go work on that panel, shall we? All right, so we cut out the drywall a little bit and then slid the bottom in to create the correct reveal. We wanted a 1/4 inch reveal there. So then we've got a similar reveal up and down now. And then I just took a pencil, carpenter's pencil, on its side and used that to go across the whole bottom of it. You just kind of let it run across the floor and it dies away to nothing there. And then over here, you can see how it shows you exactly how much you got to take off to get it to sit flush. So about a 1/4 inch there. Once we do that, then we'll have a mark up here that we can take off the rest of it to get it to match the top there. That way everything will be flush and sitting perfectly true and square. Make sense? Mm-hmm. Okay, sounds good. So now we'll take this thing off and cut it down a little bit. All right, we finally got the thing trimmed down enough that we can actually screw it into place. We've had it up and down, I don't know, 10 different times, trying to shave off just a little bit more off the top. You never want to take too much, you can't put it back on, right? So we we just did the very best we could, and thankfully we didn't make it too short. It was awesome. So we just trimmed the last of it down. We've got a good reveal set here. We've got our clamps in place, and we're going to go ahead and get it screwed in place. We're going to use some GRK 1.25 inch cabinet screws, and we'll mount it up with that. That should be just long enough to go in and get us a good bite, but not go through the panel, because that'd be bad, wouldn't it, honey?
Yes.
Yes. All right, so let's go ahead and get this thing screwed in place and be done with it.